Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to review Samsung Galaxy S22 plus 5G. The price of this machine is 84,999. What are the topics we are going to cover in this video is first we will see the summary of this mobile and performance, design of this mobile, display and camera and sixth one is battery and the storage capacity of this machine and what is the software used in this phone and connectivity and advantage of this machine and some of the disadvantage of this machine. There will be obviously an advantage and disadvantage any device if you take, right? Okay, is it worth on this price? Fine, these are the topics we are going to cover in this video. If you want to buy this mobile, please buy through my link so that I can get some sort of commission without costing you anything. Let's start. Next point is processor. The processor used in this mobile is Qualcomm ST8 generation 1. This is the number one and the best processor available for a mobile. This is the high-end processor. You cannot get more than this. Fine. Core core of this mobile is octa core, that is 8 cores available in this mobile. Simply, if I want to say what do you mean by core, if you have more number of cores, that much of performance will be there. If you have less cores, then that means less performance, right? Okay, architecture of this mobile is 64-bit. Nowadays these technology of 64-bit mobiles are getting clicked, or more people are tend to buy these architectures, right? Fine. What do you mean by 64-bit? It means 2 upon 60, it can access 2 upon 64 memory address. That means it can access or handle anything more than 4 GB of RAM. That's the meaning of this. Fine. Fabrication of this mobile is the best available in the market, that is 4nm. What do you mean by fabrication? Fabrication means how the chipset of this mobile is built and what size and at what techniques. That is fabrication, right? It is the best fabrication available in the market, that is 4nm. Okay, RAM of this mobile is 8 GB, that is sufficient, more than enough for any mobile. And the RAM type of this mobile is LPDDR5. It is if you compare with the LPDDR4, it is 50% more battery. It can save more battery, 50% more battery it can save, and 30% more performance it can give, right? Graphics of this phone, the graphics of this phone is Adreno 730. Literally you can play any mobile game in this graphics. You can play PUBG at high end or high graphics. That will be there will be no lag in this phone. The next point, the phone is built with a Gorilla Glass back panel. Fine. Height of this mobile phone is 6.2 inches. Width is 2.98 inches and the thickness is 0.3 inches. Fine. Weight of this mobile is 195 grams. It is light. You can feel the weight of the mobile in your hand. Fine. Water resistance, it is, the phone is water resistance. Nowadays every phone comes with a water resistance, but 30 minutes in a depth of 1.5 meter. if you leave the mobile 30 minutes in the water, it won't get anything, right? Dust proof, and it is also dust proof. Fine. The next point is about display. The resolution of this mobile is 1080 into 2340 pixels, the best available in the market, and you can consider the best, one of the best I can say. And what do you mean by pixels? Pixel means, let's say this is your smartphone display, and in your display there will be small boxes, small boxes, that is called pixels. Through that you can see any image, word, whatever displayed in your display, right? That is watchable if there is pixels. If there is no pixels, you cannot see anything in your display. It will be just blank, it will be dark, that's it, nothing you can see, right? And pixel density, that means pixel per inch in your mobile. This is your per inch, right? A small piece will be per inch in your phone. In that 1 inch, how many pixels are there? That is 390 pixels are there in the 1 inch display, right? Fine. The next display type of this mobile, the best available and new technology of this mobile is dynamic AMOLED HDR10 plus. They have used the best available display in the market, right? The brightness of the mobile is like immense, 1750 nits. Literally it can feel the light of the mobile in your eyes if you use in the morning also, right? And it uses 16 colors, and the screen to body ratio is 89.43%. I can say the standard one. Fine. The next point is camera. The rear camera of this mobile is 50 MP, 12 MP, 10 MP. For the cost, I can say I'm not satisfied with this camera. And if you are looking for photo shoot or video shoot for these kind of thing, maybe you should not choose this mobile, right? Front just 10 MP, right? Fine. I already told that if you want to shoot anything, you should not choose this mobile. It's not for shooting and all, right? Battery of this mobile is fine, standard one, 4500. They could give 5000 mAh or more, but 4000 mAh fine, standard one. And you have 45 watt fast charging. Literally you can say in 1 hour you can full your mobile, or in 1 hour you can charge full, right? Fine. Wireless charging is there in this mobile. Fine. Yes. The storage of this mobile is a drawback, I can say. 128 GB, and user can get 100 GB. Fine. 128 GB is fine, but it is not expandable. That is the main drawback of this mobile. If you have lots and lots of photos, videos, anything, you cannot store much data in this mobile, and you cannot add memory card also. There is no expandable memory. So if you are say, if you have lots and lots of images, videos, you should not choose this mobile. Completely useless, right? In the sense storage only, right? Fine. The next point is software. Software used in this mobile is Android V12, the latest version they have used. Fine. The connectivity in this mobile is, you have two nano sims, and in the sim 1 you have 5G connection, and in the sim 2 4G connection. In the sim 2 you don't have 5G connection. And if you talk about advantage and disadvantage, the advantage of this mobile is processor, graphics and display. um, yeah, the disadvantage of this mobile is camera. Literally I'm not satisfied for paying that amount, 84,999. For that amount I'm not satisfied with the camera. And also it is non-expandable storage. For that I'm not satisfied quite fine. And if you ask about is it worth on the price, I can say yes. If you are like convinced with these 2 points, if you are convinced with these 2 points, yes, it is worth paying 84,999. If you ask for an alternative, right, we have IQOO. This with the same specifications, I think it is around 70,000, under 70,000. You can save 84,000 something, sorry, 14,000 something. So I'm leaving the link in the description for this mobile also. Please buy through the link. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.